On a radiant sunny day, the allure of a formal garden captivates visitors with its meticulously curated landscapes and vibrant garden design. At the heart of this oasis lies a circular raised bed, lovingly encircled by a low, perfectly trimmed hedge. This centerpiece bursts with an array of colorful flower beds, showcasing a delightful combination of purple, pink, and white blooms, harmoniously interspersed with clusters of spiky green-leaved plants. As one meanders through this landscape garden, the lush green lawn unfolds like a soft carpet, bordered by a stone pathway that forms a charming square pattern around the central bed. The interplay of textures and colors creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for a sunny day garden tour. To the right, tall, spiky plants flaunt their yellow-green leaves, standing in striking contrast to the vibrant pink and red flowers blooming to the left. In the backdrop, a weathered stone wall adds a rustic charm, providing a stunning juxtaposition to the vivid colors of the garden. Symmetrically placed on either side of the central bed, tall, conical evergreen shrubs offer a sense of structure, while purple flowering plants rise elegantly above them, enhancing the garden's vertical dimension. A large round planter brimming with white flowers graces the stone path on the left, contributing to the overall aesthetic harmony. Enclosed by the sturdy stone wall, the garden invites exploration, with a charming brick building adorned with white-framed windows peeking into the scene from the upper right corner, adding a touch of architectural interest. This vibrant, formal garden is not just a feast for the eyes, but also an inspiration for those seeking landscaped garden ideas. Its rich colors and intricate design elements showcase the possibilities of garden artistry, inviting all who enter to pause, reflect, and appreciate the serene beauty of nature.